Oh man. 10, 9,
There you
8,
go. Good luck,
7,
Firefly.
6,
9,
5,
8,
4,
7,
3,
6,
2,
5,
1,
4,
0.
3, 2, 1. Zero 1 0 0 Zulu.
RC transition operation procedures to PRC MLP 1435.
That's
IP
so
to
cool.
PRC MLP 1457 report anomaly. Please confirm I have no fires on the pad. I have no visual. Please confirm no fires on the pad.
There are fires on the pad, but that's so cool.
I'm looking. I'm about to send them all.
Looks like nominal.
Pad sweep. Cameras are sweeping the pad.
Plus 32 seconds.
Stage 2 pressure's up.
Prop call.
Let's go.
Prop is nominal.
That's so cool.
Oh my god, they're doing it.
GNC.
I'm sick of
Yes.
dipping VMAG.
There's no
Again, this
there's
is
no fires on the pad.
Avionics.
Okay, so the fires are out.
Responding AVI.
That is so cool.
This one pressure profile nominal. Avionics power nominal.
The
Telemetry
first
is
ever
nominal.
attempt. This is their first ever attempt at going to space and going into orbit ever. And they're coming up right now on maximum aerodynamic pressure. That is the moment where the vehicle will experience
Plus 130.
the most amount of aerodynamic pressure. So this is when you're really testing your fuselage. Is it going to hold up? We are going through that right now.
wow.
So the vehicle
Yeah,
is
hopefully
clearly
everything
holding
goes
up.
good.
That is a
This is
great
when-
milestone. We might even hear
So-
Max Q call out on the
Not yet
comms net.
supersonic.
Happen.
Not yet supersonic. That's maybe not great. The vehicle, there's a chance it could be slightly underperforming, but again, we'll wait to hear official call outs here.
It's
But
past,
this,
it should be
again,
past Mach
first
1,
launch
it's not
attempt
even
ever
supersonic
of this
yet.
vehicle. It's unbelievable. They got off on their first try on their first day of their first attempt ever. This is unbelievable. Again, if they get to stage separation, that's going to be a huge milestone.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Yes, okay.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's a good.
Anomaly.
Vehicle is nominal.
Oh no, it exploded.
There has been an anomaly.
Move the anomaly team
No.
to procedure MLP.
Dang it. Why'd it explode?
Shoot.
Come on. They even make it to stage separation.
Oh, man. Shoot.
It looked like it was going good.
Oh, that was impressive, though. That was impressive. I was actually speechless. I just really didn't think they would go for it on their first launch window opportunity ever. Wow.
Dang.
Wow.
I didn't even expect it to explode.
Everyone,
If it was going to
just
fail.
send Firefly your love and say thank
If it
you,
was gonna
Firefly,
fail,
for
I-
allowing us to stream that. I mean, they didn't have to do that. They did not have to do that at all. They absolutely just showed warts and everything. Mad props.
If it was gonna
Everyone,
fail, I thought it would
here
just, like, fall short
in
orbit.
chat, just
But I was not
just
expecting
everyone
that to
say
explode.
congrats, Firefly, because they did a lot today.
I saw
They
some,
did a
like, light, and I
massive
thought- I was like,
amount
oh, that's just
of
the-
impressive milestones. I mean,
trail
even getting
happening,
off of the
trail.
pad with
And
your
then
first
just
orbital
exploded.
rocket is a huge, huge milestone. So, I'm
Okay, yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. That was something. That was a beautiful launch. Didn't really look like it was going fast enough. Vehicle pretty much was underperforming, but great launch. Great success, Astra. That was really good for our first launch. Yeah, good job, Astra. Hope you guys succeed on the next launch. And yeah, sorry, that was something that just exploded. That was crazy. Okay, guys, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.